Awesome. Awesome. Look at that. We're kind of by Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, something. I don't know where we are. I'm not really too familiar with this area. We're going towards, we're turned off Old 13. We're not old, but new 13. We're going towards Harrisburg, Pittsburgh. Just watching the sky.
Southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. Day 1. This afternoon and tonight. There is a chance of thunderstorms area-wide this afternoon and tonight. The Storm Prediction Center has the entire area in a slight risk area for severe storms. Marginally severe hail and strong winds will be the main hazards.
It's looking pretty green, that one. Well, maybe not. Oh, yeah.
Across portions of southeast Missouri and western Kentucky, and around 100 over the remainder of the area.
I like this little hole we got going on.
Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma indicates that a slight risk for severe storms is possible Tuesday and Tuesday night along and north of the line from southern Missouri, onward to Paducah and Calhoun, Kentucky. The primary weather hazards with any thunderstorms and the risk of directional rainfall which may cause localized the chance of thunderstorms will diminish markedly from north.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thunderstorms that develop during this time period.
Oh!
Information statement. Sky warning spotter activation may be requested today and again on Tuesday.
Wow.
Reports of heavy rain or flooding will be appreciated as well. The current time
Lightning.
is 7:31 p.m. Central.
That's just so cool right there. This is a nice place. More. Wow. That ain't good. Right there. Holds a whole bunch of beehives. Well, they're not messing with me. As long as they're not stinging me. They're probably scared anyway. Oh, this is just freaking beautiful. Here I am on a lightning rod, which is not too good, but that's what I do. Hopefully I don't get struck. Well, it looks like it's weakening, to be honest. Except back there. Looks pretty good back there. I like that. That's what I like. Storm cloud. Well, it's starting to rain. Starting to rain. That's just so cool. Here's my truck. I see the old truck. Oh, look at that. That's going to be a nice little area over there. I think we're going to go further east.